For this one, we need to find the expected value of the sine area contributed by a pair of points. So basically we have x and y. And so we have x, y. Second, we need to compare the sample covariance, the expected value